Here integrating factor, what is the integrating factor? E raised to p dx. P means 1 upon x plus cot x. 1 upon x plus cot x. So, e raised to log x plus cot x no integration log sin x. So, e raised to log of x into sin x, that means x sin x. So, equation 1 multiply by this. So, we get x sin x into dy by dx plus 1 plus x cot x into sin x, x is cancel and it is x sin x. So, what happened? So, here d dx of y into x sin x. You check out this. What is multiplication rule of differentiation? So, first integration differentiation of y, so dy by dx, then x sin x as it is. Now, y as it is, y as it is. So, x sin x નું differentiation શું થાય? તો x નું 1, then sin x as it is, પછી x as it is, sin નું cos. So, here sin x plus x cot x into sin x means x cos x. So, we can easily see that. So, differentiation of y into x sin x equal to x sin x. So, integration of x sin x, integration of x sin x equal to y into x sin x plus constant. Now, multiplication rule, integration by parts, multiplication rule of x into sin x. So, differentiation of first term as it is, second nu integral minus differentiation of x, that is 1, sin nu integration minus cos y into x sin x plus c minus x cos x plus cos nu sin equal to y into x sin x plus c. So, this is general solution. General solution of given differential equation. x ને y ની કોઈ વેલ્યુ તમને આપેલી હોય તો પર્ટિક્યુલર સોલ્યુશન આવી શકે, પણ અહીંયા x ને y કાંઈ આપ્યા નથી. જો આપ્યું હોય તો થઈ શકે. નાઉ સમ નંબર 16. Slope of tangent at xy equal to sum of the coordinate of xy. Slope of tangent is always dy by dx. Slope of tangent at pxy. So, this is the tangent. Slope of tangent means dy by dx equal to x plus y, that is given. Now, dy by dx minus x equal to y, otherwise dy by dx minus y equal to x. So, compare with linear differential equation. Dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here p equal to minus 1 and q equal to x. So, integrating factor, equation 1 multiply by this called equation 1. Equation 1 multiply by e raised to p dx means e raised to minus 1 dx. So, e raised to minus x, we get e raised to minus x into dy by dx minus y into e raised to minus x equal to x into e raised to minus x. Here d dx of what? Okay, y into e raised to minus x equal to x e raised to minus x. Check it. Differentiation of y, so dy by dx, then e raised to minus x as it is. Y as it is, differentiation of e raised to minus x, so e raised to minus x into minus 1 equal to x e raised to minus x. Therefore, y into e raised to minus x, integration of e raised to minus x plus c. E raised to minus x. First term as it is, second no integration minus differentiation of first term, so 1 e raised to minus x no integration e raised to minus x upon minus 1 plus c. Y e raised to minus x equal to x e raised to minus x upon minus 1. Minus minus plus integration of e raised to minus x, it is e raised to minus x upon minus 1 plus c. So, y in e raised to minus x plus x e raised to minus x plus e raised to equal to c. So, y plus x plus 1 c raised to x. This is general solution. General solution. Now, the point zero zero on the curve, the curve passing through origin, that means 0 0 point on the curve. Point on the curve. Therefore, 0 plus 0 plus 1 equal to c raised to 0. So, c equal to 1. Therefore, equation of curve means particular solution. X plus y plus 1 equal to c. C means 1 into e raised to x, that is e raised to x. X plus y plus 1 into e raised to x. બરાબર. હવે એક ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન છે, તો એ તમને એક કરાવી દઉં. Illustration number 21. Solve example 21. Y dx minus x plus 2y square dy equal to 0. Y into dx equal to x plus 2y square dy. So, dx by dy equal to x plus 2y square upon y. Or dx by dy equal to x by y plus 2y. Separate denominator, then x by y plus 2y. So, dy by dx. dx by dy minus x upon y equal to 2y. Generally, આપણે 80-90% સમ તમારે લિનિયર ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન આના છે. dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are function of એક્સ ઓનલી. તો ઇન્ટિગ્રેટિંગ ફેક્ટર શું આવતો? e રેઝ ટુ p dx. સેકન્ડ ટાઈપ ઓફ લિનિયર ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન. તો સેકન્ડ ટાઈપ છે એ dx બાય dy પ્લસ px ઇક્વલ ટુ q, where p and q are function of y only. તો ઇન્ટિગ્રેટિંગ ફેક્ટર શું આવે? તો કે e રેઝ ટુ p dy. dy by dx plus py equal to q, તો ઇન્ટિગ્રેટિંગ ફેક્ટર e રેઝ ટુ p dx. dx by dy plus px equal to q, તો ઇન્ટિગ્રેટિંગ ફેક્ટર e રેઝ ટુ p dy. તો આ સેકન્ડ ટાઈપનું છે, બરાબર? તમને ખ્યાલ આવી જાય કે ભાઈ આ ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન છે. ધીસ ઇઝ લિનિયર ડિફરન્શિયલ ઇક્વેશન. કમ્પેર વિથ કોની હારે તમે કમ્પેર કરશો? તો કે ભાઈ dx by dy પ્લસ px ઇક્વલ ટુ q. So here p equal to minus 1 upon y and q equal to 2y. So integrating factor શું થાય? e raised to p dy means e raised to minus 1 upon y dy, e raised to minus log y means 1 upon e raised to log y means 1 upon y. So equation 1 multiplied by 1 upon y. Equation 1 multiplied by 1 upon y. One upon y dx by dy minus x upon y square 2 from 1. So this is d dy of 1 of x into 1 upon y. You check it. Multiplication rule with respect to y. So x no dx by dy, then 1 upon y as it is. X as it is, 1 upon y no શું થશે? minus 1 upon y square into 1, because differentiation with respect to y. Differentiation of this term equal to 2. So integration of 2 with respect to y equal to x by y plus c. c ગમે તે સાઈડ મૂકી શકો તમે, ઇન્ટિગ્રેશનની આ સાઈડ અથવા તો પેલી સાઈડ, બરાબર? નાઉ 2y equal to x by y plus c. x ને y કાંઈ આપ્યો હોય તો એનું પર્ટિક્યુલર સોલ્યુશન મળી શકે, નહીં તો આ જનરલ સોલ્યુશન, બરાબર? તો ધીસ ઇઝ general solution given differential equation. તો એક્સરસાઇઝ, ફાઇનલ એક્સરસાઇઝ તમારે કરવાની છે. એમાં જે ડાઉટ હોય તમે મને આપો. વોટ્સઅપમાં તમે લોકો ડાઉટ નથી આપતા. પેરેન્ટ્સ મળવા આવે ત્યારે હું આ એક જ વાત કરું છું કે ડાઉટ્સ નથી દેતા, એટલે તમારો પ્રોગ્રેસ ક્યાં સુધીનો છે એ ખબર નથી પડતી. ઓકે, બેસ્ટ ઓફ લક.